Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I will be reviewing a new local brand here in the Philippines, which is Clocheflame, and I will be reviewing their first ever product, which is All Around Flush or AAF here in Holy Grounds. Holy Grounds is another healthy and organic place that you can check out for your healthy meal fix dito sa Bacolod City. I know you guys are excited to see the swatches on my lips, so without any further ado, here are the swatches. Fuzz is a coral salmon. Again, this is in the shade Fuzz, and sa mga kasing kulay ko or even lighter than me, it will look like a true coral salmon. But sa mga morenas na mas deeper sa akin na complexion, it won't look as coral salmon-y as it would be on us, but it would look more of a peachy shade para sa inyo that's a little bit vibrant. And as usual, guys, I'm rating the shades from 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest score and 5 being the highest. So for this shade, I'm gonna give it a 3. Next is the shade Mist, and they said that this is their Cabaret Pink, and it is really poppin', vibrant. Yung color na to is something na pwede talaga from mestizas to morenas, but sa mga deep morenas, it will clash sa rich complexion mo. So be careful about that. But if preference mo to, you can still absolutely work this color. I'm rating this 2 because this is not the kind of color that I would grab as an everyday lippy, but this is something that I would wear for a certain look. Now, this is the shade Basque, and I believe this is one of their best-selling shades. Now, Basque is a warm brown, and I am giving this a 4. 4 lang siya, not 5, even though this is the color that resonates with me the most. Parang I've seen this color a lot na, and I was actually expecting somewhat of a cooler tone na brown, so that I can use it as my bronzer, because that's how they market this shade is. You can use it as your contour or your bronzer on the sides of your face. But I don't think I will be able to wear it like that because it is too yellow for me and I guess too warm. So I was really expecting somewhat of a more cooler in shade. And yeah, I feel like I've seen this shade a lot na in the market. So it's not really something new to me, and not something that I would necessarily put in my holy grail or favorites collection. Now, yung Lush naman nila is their Candy Apple Red, and it's different compared sa ibang mga apple reds that I have worn on my lips. This is way more vibrant compared sa other apple reds that I have tried. So, because of that, medyo mataas yung score na ibibigay ko sa kanya than the usual rate that I would give sa mga apple reds na color. So, I'm gonna give this a 4. Dahil it is a vibrant red that I can sport. I know not a lot of people will be able to sport a vibrant red, but I like shades like this. Maganda naman yung performance ng all-around flush or ng AAF on my lips. I thought matatanggal siya. Parang natanggal naman talaga siya, yung products on my lips. But I didn't expect na meron siyang magkaka-stain siya. Yung staining feature niya, hindi siya something that they stated on their official claims. But sa performance niya on my lips, it did leave a little bit of stain, which is a good thing kasi kahit, natanggal most of the products after the food test, it doesn't look like natanggal siya lahat. So now let's discuss the performance of the products, and as usual, I will be basing it on their claims on their product. So their claims are multi-use. Yes, it is absolutely multi-use. Next is ultra lightweight. I agree na ultra lightweight naman talaga yung product. Next claim. So this claim is very interesting kasi sabi nila that their formulation is a gel mousse formula. But to be frank, I was kind of disappointed when I tried on the product kasi instead of getting that gel mousse feel on my lips, it felt more of like a velvet tint formula on my lip. Yung feel niya on the lips, it's not something different. Wala siyang wow factor for me. Then their last claim is blendable yung product. And yes, napaka-blendable naman ang product. You have a lot of working time for you to blend it on your skin. Other information nila, it is paraben-free and cruelty-free. And yung product na to is proudly made here in the Philippines. Also, for 389 pesos, you'll be getting 10 grams of product. I really love their packaging because naka-tube type packaging siya, and also it comes with a doe foot applicator, and just the aesthetics of their packaging is really nice. Speaking of the tube type packaging, what's nice about this is that you can cut it up and scoop out the product with your doe foot applicator. And dahil bagong brand si Clocheflame, I'm gonna be giving you 5 facts about them or their products so that you'll get to know them better. First fact about them is that the shades Bask and Fuzz are newly improved formula. Yung shades na Bask and Fuzz kasi guys, before, medyo wet, runny, and hindi gaano ka-creamy yung formulation nila. As soon as they received actually their first complaint, they knew instantly that they needed to upgrade and change their formula regarding these 2 shades. So it just goes to show that the brand owners and creators of these products are very passionate in what they do. And not only that, they do listen and cater to the comments of their customers. Second fact is that not only did they improve their formula, but they did level up their packaging as well. They improved their box quality. Then they also improved their stopper para hindi maging messy whenever we dunk our doe foot applicators sa kanilang actual component. The third and probably my favorite fact about them is that Clocheflame started out as a diary. Nung owner, 15 years old pa lang siya, and then nag-morph siya into a blog, and now it has become a business. You'll never know talaga where your small diary will take you and where your ideas will take you. Fourth fact is that they pride themselves na yung formulation ng products nila, or specifically AAF, is watercolor daw sila for your face. And last but not the least, they had their first product launch noong February 2021. So that's it, you guys. Hopefully you learned something new about the brand, their product, and also discovered a new place to visit whenever you're in Bacolod City. Again, if you want to get the all-around flush or AAF, ilalink ko yung products in the description box below. Also, if you want to come visit Holy Grounds or check out their menu, I will be linking their socials in the description box below. If you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.